Okay, so next we're going to look at doing reoccurring transactions. The most common way you'll find this is if you're invoicing your customers for the same amount each month. So that's the first one I'm going to look at, and the two ways that you can do it. So you can click on New, and you can click on Invoice like you're doing a normal invoice. And I'm just going to click on Admin Co here, and I'm going to change the date to the 1st of June. Choose the product or service, so I'm going to say that it's an employee celebration they're doing for them once a month. I'm just going to leave the VAT on here for simplicity at the moment, but obviously not all of you are VAT registered, you won't have to worry about that part. So it's all the same here, so I'm just going to click on Save before I do anything else. And then I can click on the Enable Reoccurring Payments bar, and then it will say template name, scheduled, you can create a number of days in advance if you want to, which customer it is, with their email address. You can click if you want to automatically send emails, which I'm not going to at the moment. And here it says monthly on the, and it defaults to 1st because I did it on the 1st of June, but hopefully if I did want to change it going forward, I can do. I'm going to say I'm going to start that on the 1st of July because we've already done the 1st of June one. And no end date, or you can change an end date if you want to. So terms, and this is the bit that we did in the normal invoice, and just click on Save Template. Okay, now the other way you can do this is if you click on here and click on Reoccurring Transactions, you can actually see the one that we've done there, Admin Co. And I can click on New, and you can choose whether it's a bill, an invoice, everything deposit. There's loads of different things that you can choose as reoccurring transaction. I mean, most of these are not you wouldn't be using, if I'm honest with you. But for example, I'm just going to show you the expense one for now. From this part, you can do it again from the expense screen. But for example, if you're not using the bank feed or bank uploads, and you get charged the same amount by your bank each month as a bank fee, you could do this as a reoccurring transaction. Or for example, an insurance payment's the same amount each month. So I'm going to say insurance, for example, I'm going to say on this one. Okay, scheduled, and I'm going to say that it is that person that we pay for insurance. It comes out the current account, doing monthly on the, and I'm going to say last day of the month. And starting on the 30th of June 2020 with no end date. Payment method doesn't actually do anything, it just tells you how. The most important part here is this bit, the current account. So I'm going to say that it's category of insurance, and I'm going to say it's business insurance, £1,000. And I'm just going to put that in there because insurance is exempt for VAT, but you may not need to worry about that. And again, you literally just click Save Template, and that's it. And you can see that on here, it's here, there. And they've got some random other ones that are already here on this demo company. But that is it. That is really easy to do, and I'll see you all in the next module.